Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you what you can do in case your network connection is stuck on identifying. So I know that maybe once when using your operating system, mainly your Windows operating system, I think everyone has gotten this error and the network connection being stuck on identifying. So this is mainly a bug from Windows 10 if you get it. So if it's only a bug, it can be easily solved with a few steps that I'm going to show you in this video. But of course this video won't help you in case the problem comes from a physical part of your system, maybe a broken cable or maybe router problems and stuff like that. But considering that this is only a bug that is on our Windows 10 operating system, we're going to try to fix it. First of all, we can run the network adapter troubleshooter. So for that, we're going to have to open the start menu and then click on settings. And here where it says find a setting, we can type in here troubleshoot settings. Now here in the right side, click on additional troubleshooters. And here in the additional troubleshooters page, go down a bit and look for network adapter. Find and fix problems with wireless and other network adapters. Click on run the troubleshooter and Windows will automatically start some diagnostics and will try to help you fix the issue. In my case, as you can see, it couldn't identify the problem because I don't have any problems with my connection. If this doesn't fix it, we can easily reset our network connection in order for the connection to restart. So we can open the search box and type in here network reset, click on network reset, and then you can click on the button reset now, click on yes, and the network settings will be reset. As you can see, you're about to be signed out. You can close this. We can manually restart the system, so I'm going to do that. Then after the restart, you can click on yes here and your network connection is reset. So these are a few steps that could help you. Another thing that you can try to do is to go to the start button and then click on the settings icon, then go down to update and security and check if Windows Update has any updates pending that are pending install. Of course, if you don't have an internet connection, you cannot check for updates, but if your network is stuck on identifying, you can also try to install the pending updates by clicking on the install now button. And this could help too because, as I've said in the previous videos, Microsoft launches periodically some updates, some patches that can help fixing with bugs and problems that come up with new updates. So this was the video for today. I hope it was useful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like down below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel for more great content like this. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.